God bless everybody. Just wanted to show y'all another of my accommodations. If you noticed in my videos, I tend to show you around 360 view, and I like to stay at naturalist theme locations. So this is one of them here. This is close to La Romana, Dominican Republic, on the way to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. So I found this place doing some volunteer work here, and you can also stay here, disconnect from the city life. There is no cell phone service here, so that's the whole point, is to disconnect. Just come here and relax. They definitely put some work into this retreat here. Very tropical, as you can see. Rustic house, Águila Pescadora. This is another secluded accommodations here. Limestone. You got this beautiful relaxing pool here. Oh, courtyard area, you can do some yoga, do some reading. There is a waterfall, as you can see the water there. And they have a room back here with a little kitchen. Got your little grill right there too. Definitely a great way to unwind, disconnect from the hustle and bustle of the city life, right? Okay, just wanted to show you a nice little 360 view of this place. If you choose, I'll leave a link below, that way you can come and check the spot out. I recommend staying here for a few days to a few weeks if you choose, just to disconnect from everything. Alright, let me show you guys around a little bit more. It's called the Ecoriver house. Alright, this is another section of the Ecoriver house. There's a tree house there. It's made out of bamboo, as you can see. Some wood. Got your 4 foundation tree there. Look like they're still doing a little construction work. Right, all these beautiful exotic plants, fruits. Got some banana tree. You can do tent camping here if you choose as well. So they have a variety. Right up here in kind of like a plateau area. I've stayed here for a few days now and I've slept great. I'm doing some volunteer work, so I get to learn a thing or two with the locals. This one here is called the Mushroom House, and it is built like a mushroom. As you can see there, got the mushroom theme, right? Got a little spot where you can cool off in the water, and you do take a shower outside. How cool is that, right? It is tropical here, so you don't have to worry about being cold. Just make sure you bring your suntan lotion and insect mosquito repellent, because there's a lot of mosquitoes here. But yeah, look at all this flora. Right, pretty much plant anything and it grows here. That's where you wash your hands and your face right there. Again, this is a naturalist theme, right? Got another shower there. You can take your shower outside and give thanks, right? Got another general area here. You can swing, right? Got your marshmallows. They do have a fire pit, as you can see there. See that? Just gather out here and sit by the fire and give thanks. Another large area out here. You can do some swimming. You come here as a couple or as a group or as a family. See that? So many different sections of this place here. Show you this other accommodations down here. I think there's like 8 to 10 different rooms here where you can stay. Again, I'll leave a link below that you guys can check it out. Come and stay here if you choose. This one is called the Organic Villa Colibre Espacio Prohibido. Alright. As you enter here, let's watch your step. And you have another little pool area. It kind of continues down in the waterfall there. You see that? Beautiful, right? And then, again, this is all handmade. Very authentic, organic, naturalist theme. Look at that. Got your little bed there, fan. They do have electricity here. Alright. And they have another little area you can take a shower outside. Again, this is all a naturalist theme. Got your toilet there. Alright, I wanted to include this in this episode. My accommodations, that way you guys can see. You can stay here if you choose. Ecoriver House is the name. They do have a yoga area to the left. If you want to do some yoga, stretching, relaxation there. Alright, so welcome. Let's see what else you can find. God bless. This is the area you can use your Wi-Fi. Pretty strict on that, but again, you just come here to disconnect. Got your papaya tree, fresh fruits there. So this host, he also does Woolpackers. So we actually built this platform here, this canopy, a few days ago. Took us, about what? 8 hours to complete. All natural wood here. We connected it. So I'm learning as I travel, right? I think that's the key. Learn as you travel. Nice little area here you can sit. Right? So I felt fulfilled being here, because I actually contributed to the aspect of this Ecoriver house. Alright. And they're also an artist, so they play instruments and painting. See that there? Gotta love this place. If you're a naturalist, it should be right at home for you. Or if you just love nature. That's the step as you walk there. Go swim in there. Enjoy that view. Again, it's a great way to disconnect from the city life. Just come and relax underneath that coconut tree there. You can grill out. They incorporated this natural architecture here with the wood. Biodegradable products. This is your yoga section. Come out here and do some yoga, stretching, exercising. Enjoy that view there. Again, this is in between La Romana and Punta Cana. Oh, look at those coconuts, they're ready. I just had to show you all this naturalist theme accommodation. You can do volunteering here as well, or if you just want to come and book for a few days or a few weeks, you can do that as well. Look at that, beautiful, huh? Very relaxing. Just come out here and do some reading, writing, whatever you want. Just detach from the hustle and bustle of life. Like, share, subscribe, and have a jobless day. This is another section here. Ecoriver house. Again, you can do glamping here as well. Got a little cooler, electricity, tent, open showers. Right out in the elements there. This is probably one of my favorite views right here. See that? And you can swim right there, which is exactly what I'm going to do. Hope you like my channel so far. If you're new to my channel, welcome. The goal is to give you a different perspective, more naturalist theme. Get your hands dirty as you travel. Learn something new. And live a positive and productive life. Alright. Till next time. I'm going to take a dip. I'm here at another accommodation. I'll just give you the links. But just check out my future episodes coming up. I just had to cool off because it's very hot. Like, share, subscribe. Have a jobless day. Check out that view real quick from this angle. See that? Very relaxing. Pretty secluded location here. Again, I'll leave a link. But for now, just have to cool off. Till next time. God bless. Okay guys, so my host decided to treat us today, and so we're at Esmeralda Beach Club. This is in between La Romana and Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, right? So as you can see here, I'll leave a link where you guys can find this place, but it is a private resort type place where you can come and just relax and have some dinner by the beach. If you check out my other episodes, Boca Chica, that was like a public beach, but this is a private one here. Look at the little doggies chilling in the shade. Nice. But yeah, that's how the private beach look. More secluded, you know, catered to just come here and relax. We had a meal here as well. There is a restaurant. Pretty good food there. But yeah, let's look at that Caribbean Sea, the water, the beach. Come here and get your tan on, right? Yeah, look at that water, beautiful, right? And they're still building to it. Nice and clean, no trash everywhere. I'm on my way to Punta Cana because I haven't been to that city yet in this country. But yeah, look at that water and the sand. Nice and clear and clean and refreshing. Feels great. I'm definitely gonna take a dip. There's some kayaking out here, paddleboarding. Yeah, this is a beautiful island country here, Dominican Republic. I've been here many times, so showing you guys how it looks on my journey, on my trips. So here's another beach you can check out, right? More seashells here on this beach. All right, that water's calling me. Give you a nice 360 view, right? That's how it looks here. Playa Dominicus is the name. Playa Dominicus. That water looks amazing. Oh yeah, check out my other videos on the Dominican Republic. You'll see I've been to Santo Domingo, Puerto Plata, Benares, Azua. Definitely one of my favorite countries to visit. And let me show you the restaurant real quick. Really good food here. They do add tax and tip, so you can tip extra if you want, but when you get your bill, you see tax and tip on there already. Mostly at the tourist attraction places. That's the restaurant there. Really good food. Alright, I'm gonna take a dip. I'll see y'all when I get to Punta Cana. God bless. Till next time.